do have a concealed handgun permit, the law changes. Chapter 3: Driving with a Permit in Colorado. What the CHP changes is the legal authority you are carrying under. Now you are not just relying on the private vehicle carve-out. You are carrying under Colorado's concealed handgun permit law. If you are carrying under a CHP, the permit and valid photo ID need to be with you. A CHP also means the concealed carry authority is not tied only to the vehicle. You don't want to step out carrying in a restricted area though. We get into the limits on that in Chapter 5. Colorado recognizes out-of-state permits only in limited reciprocity situations. The permit holder has to be a resident of the issuing state, carry matching state-issued ID, and meet Colorado's reciprocity rules. Any Colorado resident cannot legally carry concealed in Colorado using a non-resident permit issued by another state. Now, do you still keep a permit in Colorado, or do you think the vehicle carve-out rule is enough? Comment below and tell me which side you're on. Chapter 4: Traffic Stops. Colorado is not a general duty to inform state. If you are carrying under a permit, you must have the permit and a valid photo ID with you, and you must produce both upon demand by law enforcement. If you fail to carry and produce the permit and valid photo ID on demand, that is a petty offense. But if you show the court a valid permit and valid photo ID issued before the stop, that charge must be dismissed. If you're not carrying under a permit, there is no permit to produce. In that situation, you're relying on Colorado's vehicle rule, not the permit paperwork rules. Colorado also lets an officer temporarily disarm a permit holder during a lawful stop. If that happens, the officer is supposed to return the handgun before releasing the permit holder from the scene. Let me know your experiences getting pulled over while carrying in Colorado. Did you feel they treated you fairly for carrying?